Jeff at motorcycletheworld.com, and I picked up this alarm off of Amazon. I'll put a link below, and it's let's say it's for bicycles, motorcycles. I'm going to throw this under the seat and see what happens. This is going to be on my 2019 F850GS Adventure. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, I've gone ahead and installed the alarm underneath the seat. I still haven't found a manual on this, but supposedly they're you can adjust volume, sensitivity. This is all factory. This is factory settings right now. So as far as sensitivity and volume, I'm going to go ahead and arm it. Maybe get a second. Confirm. So you get an initial alarm, just a quick one, which I have no problem with. And then if you so you got the initial alarm, and then if the movement continues, I guess you get the full alarm. So I think I'm going to leave everything the way it is right now. Maybe I could increase the sensitivity, maybe just a little bit, but I'm going to leave everything the way it is right now. I also use a disc lock, so I think between those settings and the disc lock, and I've got an alarm, disc lock with an alarm. So I think I'm going to go ahead and leave it the way it is for now. So alright, let me know if you got any questions, and I'll leave a link down below. Alright.